Hello guys, my name is Zed and I am a software developer. Last year I made a bet9ja app that helps people automate their bet9ja workflow and it helps them generate money without any troubles or issues. So a lot of people have been contacting me and have been asking for demo. So today's video is about how you can get the demo and how you can run it for the first time so that you can test whether it works or it doesn't work by yourself. So I am a software developer. If you have any project that you want to do, whether web apps, mobile application or any type of project at all, send me a mail in my description box stating what you want to build and I will get back to you. So this is a new channel as you can see, so please subscribe. I really appreciate that and like this video. You can also share it with your friends. So without further ado, let me get started with the video. So I'm going to the website where you can download the bet9ja bot. So I'll drop the URL in the description box. So as you can see, you make money with bet9ja. So in my past videos I've actually showed this website before. So now it's time for you to sign up or log in. So you are to log in with your name, your email, your phone and your password. I don't actually need your phone, so this is not actually necessary, but yeah. So now after you are done signing up, then come here to log in. So I'm going to log in with my mail. Now as you can see, pay to get the demo version of this bot which costs 25,000 naira. So the bot is being sold for 25,000 naira, but for now you can download the demo to see how it works. So now enter the demo code. So to get the demo code, you actually have to send me a mail so that I can show you the demo code so that I can download the bot. Now you should start downloading. So as you can see, it is downloading, but I already have the demo already, so let me cancel it. So when you are done downloading it, just go to your download. So let me go to my download. So it should be here. So this is my own, so your own should be download demo. So I already have it, so it is time to unzip the file. So let me extract here. So it is extracting and here is it. So as you can see, bet9ja demo bot. So this is the demo bot, and this file contains two applications. It contains the Chrome driver and it contains the bet9ja demo. So you are not meant to delete any. So just run this. So as you can see, it has opened up. So it will load for a while. So let's wait for it. So it is downloading. As you can see, it has popped up a Chrome driver. So you can see this demo version of bet9ja bot has started. Congratulations for acquiring the bot. So the bot will expire 25/1/2021 at 4 p.m. So basically the bot only runs for 12 hours. So you have 12 hours to test the bot and make sure everything is okay. So set your bet9ja username. So let me set mine. So you have to confirm it, because once you are done setting it, you can't change it. So you have to be sure. Then your bet9ja password. So the next thing is set the amount of you want the bot to bet at once. So for the sake of this demonstration, I will use the demo account. So I'm going to set it to 1,000 naira. So I want to bet 1,000 naira at once. So how many times you want a caller to fail before making a bet? So that is one of the features of the betting bot. I'll set it for 0 so that it can play games quickly. Do you want the bot to have martingale system? Sure. So martingale means it will triple your stake upon losses. So yes, so you have to be very careful with that. Then set your loss limit. So I'll set my loss limit to 50k. So I'll set my profit limit to 20k. So you can set yours to anything you like. So you can just type anything for this place. To skip that place for now. So in this bot, the demo only has just one strategy, so you have to select the only one. So I'm going to start the bot right now. So I on my camera so that you can see that I am not pressing anything and everything is completely automated. So you can see that the web page is loading up. So you should type in my username and my password. You can see my hands. I'm not pressing anything. So it is going to launch this tab right now. So if you look at this account closely, you see that I don't have anything in this account, so I want to use my demo account. So I'm going to click on this demo button. So you can see the demo 100,000 for test. Let me copy this. So you are going to paste this here and you click on enter. So I don't need this again, so let me close this. So that's all. The bot has started working for you. So let me minimize this. Let me put this here. I hope you can see it. So this is what controls the browser. So I don't actually need the camera on, so let me turn it off. So you can see that everything is automated and you should watch the mouse also, so you can see that I'm not pressing on anything, I'm not clicking anything. So I'll just be commenting on the bot as it makes bets. You can see green was predicted, so if there's enough time it will be able to play the bet, but unfortunately there isn't enough time to place the bet, so the button won't be active, therefore it won't be able to place the bet. So as you can see, the place bet button was not active. So let us wait for it. It is active. So I want to show you a thing or two about how the bot works before I end the video. So this time blue has been predicted, so it is placing a bet of 1,000 naira on blue. So let's watch out what the outcome will be. Let me drag this here. I think this is the perfect place to drag it. Let me drag it here, so we can see everything that is going on the screen. Nothing is hidden. So fortunately we won that bet. So let's wait for the next bet. So I am going to keep the video as long as the bot makes its first loss. So let's see what happens when it loses money. So red has been predicted this time around. So luckily again it won that red bet again. In here we have loss 0 and the profit should be 2 because it has won 2 bets consecutively. So this time we should be predicting green. So as you can see, green was predicted. So you have successfully placed bet of green. So I hope this video is not getting too long and boring. Please bear with me. So there's something I actually want to show you. So I hope that happens here. But unfortunately we have green again. So we have won that bet again. So and if you are going to be running the bet, I will advise you run it in the night. So like all casino games, just make sure you run them at night when other people are not playing. So since you have the bot, you can run it any freaking time you choose to, and you won't have to stress yourself. Just make sure you are setting reasonable condition, you are setting a reasonable loss limit and all those things. So again we have loss 0, we have profit 3. So you can see we have won the bet 3 times. So don't be fooled by that. There's something I actually want to show you guys. That's why I'm keeping the video as long as this. So we have successfully placed another bet on green. So I hope this one doesn't come. I hope it doesn't come, so as to show you what the bot does when there is loss, and so that I can know whether you guys are okay with that. So if you are okay with that, just drop that in the description box. So I would like to know you guys' opinion, what you guys think of the martingale. So how dangerous you think it is? Let me know in the description box, and please make sure you subscribe and like this video. So that's like my anthem on this channel. So please always do that. Again, so the bot has to restart the other time because it has to reload, and whenever you reload the demo account, it starts from the beginning. So I just want to show you what happens when you lose. So that's very crucial before I end this video. So please bear with me. So you can see it has made a 1000 naira bet. So I hope it loses this one so that I can show you what happened and just end the video. So it is not going to affect your real account. So something like that happening is not going to affect your real account. So I'm glad it didn't come this time. So we only have one red here. I didn't win the bet. So I do tell people that whenever you use your live account, do not run it overnight. So run it in a controlled environment where you will be able to go check what is happening. So that's my advice for anybody who wants to run the bet. So do I run it on a cloud machine, or I make sure that I supervise what goes on so that I won't lose my money. So you can see it has successfully placed a bet of 2+ on green boss. So it has done that. Let's wait for what happens now. So fortunately, we are able to win it. As you can see, it has bounced back to 100,500 naira. So that's how it handles losses. So there are cases whereby this one it will lose again. So it will triple this again. So I think till the 4th time. So the reason why I try to show you what goes on under the hood, you can see it has returned the stake to 1,000 after it has won that bet. So the reason I should try to show you what is going on is that so that you can know how it handles losses, and you can stop asking me a question whether it's 100% or not. There's nothing that deals with gambling that is 100%, except you want to get scammed. So and we aren't doing that here. So what is 100%? You can see it has lost it again. It is going to triple the next one. That's how it runs, and that's how it manages losses. So it is now left to you to know how you can go. You are going to make sure you set higher color failure. So the higher the color failure, the slower it makes it. So I will implore you increase the color failure, and you reduce your stake. You let your stake be minimum. You compare to your cash flow. So now if you have 100k, then you shouldn't bet more than 1k, and you shouldn't hope to win too much money. So you can see that it has lost this one again. So you shouldn't just target like 10% of your cash flow or your capital daily. So that's okay. So like I used to term it, this is bet9ja trading, and anything that has to do with trading, you don't expect to make huge amount of money quickly, like instantly. So that doesn't work anyway. The only way you can make money is gradually. So now it has finally placed another bet of blue. So this time it has tripled the stake from 3,000 to 9,000. If the bet doesn't come this time, then it is going to triple it one last time. So that's just why I said it's kind of dangerous. And when you are testing, make sure you test with your demo account, and you can always contact me for solid strategies. So I can always help you build solid strategies on other bet sites apart from bet9ja. So that's what I kind of do. So you can see that it won this one after 2 losses. So that's how it handles loss. I hope this video is illustrative enough, and it has cleared all the doubts and all the questions that you have in mind. So that's how the site works, and I've showed you how you can go get the demo so that you can test it out yourself. So that will be the end of this video. So make sure you subscribe and like. You can share with all those betting groups on Facebook and Twitter. So please help make this video go viral. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.